Rolling is a key agricultural activity. It consists of pressing and leveling the soil, which is necessary both before and after sowing seeds. Rolling is intended to compact and crush the soil, which promotes proper germination of seeds and equal plant growth. This practice can be performed with different types of rollers, depending on the type of soil and agro-technical purpose. Rolling before sowing is aimed at leveling the field surface, crushing soil lumps, and improving humidity, which promotes germination of seeds. Rolling after sowing, on the other hand, improves the contact of seeds with the soil, protects against birds, controls weeds, and increases the effectiveness of some herbicide. Rolmako offers different variants, such as Cambridge, Crosskill, Campbell, Prismatic, and Steel rollers. Each of them has its own unique use and agro-technical benefits properly adapted to the needs of farmers. The choice of the right roller depends on the type of soil and the purpose of cultivation. Rolmako rollers guarantee many advantages, such as leveling the field, improving contact of seeds with soil, and reduction of soil erosion. Thanks to them, it is possible to effectively and efficiently manage agricultural crops, which translates into abundant yields and healthy plant growth. Rolling is a key activity in agriculture, which requires proper selection of the type of roller for specific cultivation needs. Rolmako rollers offer a wide selection of variants adapted to different soil types and cultivation purposes. Go to the rolmako.com website and choose the right tool for your farm.